Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily connect your Windows 11 computer to Wi-Fi. Now they did change the way the Windows looks down here on the bottom, but I'm going to show you guys how you can connect it to Wi-Fi so that way you can start accessing the internet. So go down here on the bottom right-hand corner and you'll see that Wi-Fi emblem right there. And right now it says that I'm connected to my guest Wi-Fi, but you'll just click on that and it brings up this menu option here. At the very top here is where you would click over to find out which Wi-Fi connections are available. So you will click that arrow and it brings up all the different Wi-Fi connections that I can tap into. Right now I am connecting to guest Wi-Fi. So say I wanted to connect into this one here that's available. Now yours are going to be different. Then you make sure that that box is clicked on connect automatically, and then you would connect. More likely you'll have to enter in a password for your Wi-Fi, but that's how you connect to the different Wi-Fis here. And then usually once it's connected to the Wi-Fi, it'll stay connected to that specific Wi-Fi until you change it. But that's how you connect Wi-Fi with your Windows 11 computer.